Hola, buenos días, señor Santi.
Buenos días, chicas y chicos, tíos y tías. Hoy estamos en Madrid.
Santi is hosting me the entire week here in Spain. First thing on my mind, I want to go to Sabati Parque. Sabati Parque, which is like 10 minutes from here. And then we're going to have breakfast.
Yes, desayuno.
Comida with Pablo. Now, ahora we go Sabati Garden, which is a beautiful garden here in Centro Madrid.
Vamos a verlo.
Vamos a eso.
Vamos a verlo.
Vamos a turística.
Yes, parece una ruta turística guiada por el centro de Madrid. En la Plaza de España es el sitio más céntrico.
Míos Dios, bueno tiempo.
Hace muy buen tiempo.
Muy buen tiempo.
Sí.
I love the weather today. I think it's 16 Celsius and climbing.
Yeah.
Yesterday was 27 Celsius.
So crazy.
It's not even primavera, it's not even spring, and it's straight 7
it's
Celsius.
normal.
Why do you like Madrid, Santi?
I like Madrid because it's the capital
Capital,
for
Español.
Spain. Finish the city for all Spanish people. And when you come here, you can do a lot of things, meet a lot of people, enjoy a lot, fun, and you can go to shopping.
And muy histórica.
Yes,
Muy
very
histórica.
beautiful buildings, the best museums in Spain, and eat very
And
good
comida,
food.
comida,
Yeah,
buena
comida.
comida. We're about here now. That's where we
Yeah.
are. And then we're going to the Palacio Real, and I'll let you see. So all of this is 5 minutos andando. 5, like 5 minutes walk. So here we are, the Royal Palace of Madrid. This is the one built by King Philip V in 1735. It is the royal residence, official royal residence of the Spanish royal family. And it's also part of museum where all the amazing Spanish royal collections are here. Spain at one time was called the country that the sun never set because the Spanish Empire stretches from the Philippines to Latin America. At the peak of the Spanish Empire, they say it's the empire that the sun never set. Sol never set because
El sol nunca se pone.
the empire was so vast and Spain was so rich because of that. But now it's, historical, now it's in a different light because of colonialism and stuff. But the palace is beautiful. On top of the hill here in the park in Madrid is Temple Debod. Temple Debod, and usually there's water here, agua here, Santi said, but today there's no agua, I think because winter just went over. So Temple Debod is a Nubian temple in Egypt, and during the 1970s, they were building the Aswan Dam, and this would have been underwater. So there was an international effort by UNESCO to save it, and Madrid agreed to host it, and it was transported to Madrid so that it could be saved from the flooding of the Aswan Dam in Egypt. And now it sits right here in Madrid, on top of the park hill. Entrance is free, entrada gratuita. Brunchit.
Ay, qué linda foto.
Casa de Brunchit.
No, la otra. Mira.
No voy trabajo en la mañana, que se del trabajo.
All idiomas. Aprende. Salud. Apoya. Happy birthday. So we just had brunch at a place called Brunchit, and the district is Malasaña here in Madrid.
Yep.
And this place is fabuloso. I mean, the storefront to the everything comes out.
The cocktails and the food.
The cocktails and the food.
Yeah.
This is really the
Yeah.
place
Yeah.
for brunch here in Madrid. Did you enjoy your food?
I loved it. Loved it. Love the avocado toast. Love the salmon. Love the poached eggs. Love everything.
This is a brunch expert. And also, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy I can celebrate your birthday
After so many years.
And I wish you nothing but the best
Thank you
for
so
your
much.
future.
Thank you for being here.
With your
Thank
partner.
you.
She's gonna throw the bouquet in Plaza de Mayor.
Mi mamá y mi papá se casan.
Here, swim here. Santi gusta piscine,
Sí.
hotel. You like the swimming pool?
A lot
You
of.
like the sun's open air thing. You like the piscine?
Yes. And the views of the city.
All the Madrid. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. Dinner time here in Madrid. We are in Spain, so people eat very late here, like 9 p.m. It's insane for us Asian. This restaurant, a really hidden gem. This restaurant is called Puerto Rico, very near the Gran Via. This is berenjenas rebozadas, and it's fried eggplant. This is a typical dish of Canaria. They dip it with lime. This is sopa castellana, and it is with an egg, with ham, and it has like a, what is it, bread, and it's a beautiful soup with ham and egg. Oh. It tastes very, very different from what it looks. It's not spicy. It's just soup, a very watery soup. This soup is absolutely amazing. It really awakens anybody's appetite. And the eggplant, just for a beginner. So this is Pechura Villaroy. It's chicken and it's fried with the bread in bechamel sauce. It's boneless breast chicken. Oh wow. My God. So it's kind of like bread frying together. And this is a special, as I said, bechamel sauce. It's very interesting. It's very, very moist, creamy flavor, and you eat it with the prawn, I guess. Everything here is super affordable in Puerto Rico. You look at the menu, you're like, oh my God, everything here very affordable and very authentic Spanish food that you can get. Highly recommend here in Madrid. Puerto Rico, the restaurant is called. And the atmosphere is just absolutely fabulous here.
Hola.
We finished dinner. We are at Chueca metro station, and the nightlife has just begun here in Madrid. World famous for their nightlife, the Spanish party all night long. I'm not joking. Nobody parties like the Spanish. And we're waiting for our friends Jaime, and then we're gonna party, and we're going to go crazy, crazy, crazy. Salud!
Bienvenidos, Ike.
This is just Coke, by the way. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely 4 in the morning and I'm just having so much fun here in Madrid. I'm so thankful to have friends here that is showing me a good time and accompany me for such a good time here in Madrid. This is the end of my video. I am going back because I am so intoxicated. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. But here are more videos of Europe that if you want to see more of my video. I am just so intoxicated. Goodbye and thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye from, adios from Madrid here in España.